Now, the first one, we got two boxes we're going to be opening. The Hatterene and the Champions Path Gym Leaders. Hatterene.
Woo! Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, so we got Hatterene. She's the exclusive of this set. When you find Hatterene in the gallery, she's a Karen. Alright, let's break into it, this bad boy. And when they tell you to get a pre-order, definitely follow the pre-order. What comes with it? So you get the jumbo card, and then you get the Hatterene Hollow. She looks pretty.
Alright, so let's get...
And we get a total of 1, 2, 3, 4 packs. So I'm splitting them. We're going to open it up with Champions Path. Okay, so our first is going to be Fire Energy, Milo, Rotom, Beedrill, Linoon, Weedle, oh man, Ekans, Carvana, Pokeball, another Pokeball, and whoa! Owl Creamy straight from the pack, ladies and gentlemen. What a sweet baby right here. All right.
Damn.
Okay, so that's the first baby. Sit up straight. So first off, we got Fighting Energy, Absol, Rotom Phone, Hyper Potion, a regular Potion, another Carvana, a Kakuna for my Beedrill, and a Weedle for my Beedrill. A third Pokeball. Alright, now Kabu, and then a Hatterene after the Kabu. So I got the other Hatterene with my Hatterene.
It's your boy. Back at it again with the Champions Path. We don't stop. Just to make it fun. Got 1, 2, 3. Alright. For the energy, don't need that garbage. Alright, first off, we got Victini, the victory Pokemon. What does that tell you? What does that tell you, huh?
There we go, those are Victini, not Victini.
Yeah, there we go. We got Hopscotch. Got Pokemon Center Lettuce. Got Weedles, Needles, Sizzlepedes, Lipipedes, Swablu, Galarian. And last but not least, you all were waiting for it. That's right, the one and only. Boom! Hatterene double. Scary.
2 Hatterenes in one box.
Alright, lettuce.
What a great man.
What's that? Bam. 3 to the fro. Let's go. No peeking. There we got Absol. Got Milo. Beedrillo. Machapo. Pokeballo. Kokano. Swablo. Weedalo. Alright. Oh my god. Come on. Oh, you got me, dude. Holy shit. Yeah, that's how I feel right now. Damn, what? What? A V-Nex and a rainbow trainer in one box?
There you go, visual aid, I'm sorry. That's what I'm... Don't mess with them with it. Yeah. That's your boy. Pliers.
This is the next one that's going down. Real hard. I hope it snuck up on you and gave you that kick.
Alright, so not only does it come with 5 Champions Path Pokemon packs, it comes with 2 promos and 2 gym pins. Like if you... Obviously we got the Fighting and Ghost gym badge. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright. And then, of course, can't forget our promos, Machamp, Gengar. The two mains of the two gym leaders.
Good luck, tap.
Calling it right here, calling it. He's summoning. Summon him. Chaza. No peeking now. No peeking now. Ooh. Leaf energy. Both. Bullshit. Oh. Didn't skip leg day. Oh, Piers. Non-holo shiny Piers. Piers without tears. Malamar. Carvana. Potion. Rockara. Woodla. Swabula. Damn! Hell yeah. And last but not least, I don't expect much, but you know, it's honest work. Boom! What? What do you mean? Look at that grin. What do you mean? Fucking I'm done. That's always a treat. Not gonna lie. Alright, on to the next one. We'll dilly down. Let's see. On to the second pack. It's your boy. Ups the goon. The goon. The balloon goon. Spoon. Moon. No peeking. 1, 2, 3. Repeat after me. That's a fighting energy. Alright, let's see. Milo with the stylo.
Milo Yiannopoulos.
Milo with the Turfield Stadium. Beedrill, Vulpix, Fish, Pokeball, Centipede. And last but not least, your boy Swablu coming in with the plug. Boom! Oh shit! Another. Is this a repeat?
It's JoJo Machamp.
Yeah.
Boom, she's ready for you. Let's get to it. Come on, Zero Nails. Come on, you little freaking got it. Okay, alright, Gardevoir pack. Do me a favor and give me something really good. Something spicy, okay? The code. So we got Electricity, Bed, Sharpedo, Pokemon Center Lady, Trubbish, Hatterene's First Evolution, Rockruff, Potion, Pokeball. Oh my gosh, here we go. Scraggly, dang it.
Last Pokemon pack. Alright, we got Sharknado, Aardvark, Anaconda, man throwing a Pokeball at another man, Scraggies, Pokeballs, Obstagoons, the Thomas. Oh, wow. Bada beam, bada boom, let's go into boom! Ah! Blessed by the great Gardevoir VMAX. Damn, what is this? A psychic hollow energy with the side of VMAX. I'd say that's a meal fit for a king if I do say so myself. Goddamn. But 2 VMAXs.
Well, thank you for watching this session of Let's Look for the Charizard card. We'll be right back after we find more packs for us to open. What are you doing here? Well, anyway, Marty wants to thank everybody for liking and subscribing to this video.